Oh, shit! Woohoo! Oh. Alter.
So it looks like my radio is... I don't know if that's too much. Or is it just water coming down? Das kannst du keinem erzählen, ey.
So there's a lot of blue smoke coming out. Anyway, there's still Thomas's bike that needs the new radiator, which is fixed. The plan is that the three of us actually leave now.
Lago Nero is the place where we're gonna go, so hope we get back in one piece.
Who are you and you are not the one in your way? And then I think about myself and I stay. I'm a pretty boss who got my shit bright ways. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. Best you ever had, give it to you flat.
So we're going up to Lago Nero. That's where we're going. It's a beautiful road through the forest, and we had a late start because we're still working on Thomas's bike this morning, but at least we got to go, the three of us, to at least ride some of the routes, maybe all of it today. We'll see how late it gets. Maybe we should take it a bit easier on these tracks so we don't we don't keep breaking bikes all the time. As long as we can still fix them, it's okay, but there may be a break in there that we cannot fix, and then that would suck.
You out for what you say to me. Look at every single need. If you got what I need, then oh, I'll take you on like a big deal. Legs you can unseal, key in ignition. Just keep me full like I had a meal. Once in a while, feel all that I know you like it, can't fight it. I'ma let you ride the wave. I'm New York and you're LA. Come together, feel the shock waves.
So guys, we're basically standing right on the border of France and Italy. We're just on the French side, and now I'm in Italy. Yeah, there we go. It's pretty windy up here. We're just kind of scoping out how far that track is going to take us. And the bikes are still parked in Italy, so they're over there. And we get to enjoy this view from up here. It's awesome. So we'll ride it into France for a little bit, and we'll probably have to turn around then and see.
So back on the bikes, let's go to France. 10 meters. 10 meters to France. So we're now in France, just past the border. Let's see where we can get there. Wow. Genau, wir müssen einfach links darum, da wo ihr vorhin die Rechtskurve, da müssen wir, du kannst also hier runter und fahren da dann rechts, das geht auch. Das kann, genau. Das sieht auch voll geil aus hier, so der Blick. Also von hier aus sieht man es vielleicht sogar, wie steil es ist. Oh. So, dann da runter jetzt, ne? Das eine Stück war ein bisschen haarig, da ich dann irgendwie zu viel auf der Fußbremse gestanden, das Hinterrad. Und wenn du dann halt absteigst, dann hast du Hinterradbremse nicht mehr. Time to pick up a bike. So. Hammer.
Kannst du satt durchs Wasser fahren.
Was brauchst du? Was ist denn? Zu kalt?
Ja.
That's awesome. Awesome views. This is just a fast road, but the views are spectacular here. It's just something different to what we saw today, earlier today. Well, it was just mountain passes basically. Oh yes! Woohoo! This is cool. Oh, potholes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, endgeil. War doch noch ganz gut am Ende, ne? Kannst du nicht meckern, ey.
Ach, ein ganz kleiner noch. Ist ja ein richtig hübscher Bergkätzchen. So it's getting pretty late now. We just entered the Plane Valley. So it's just basically one way in and one way out. We're at the end of it. It's pretty nice. Most of it was straight road. We had some sort of more difficult sections that were fun to ride. And we're gonna head back and see what we're gonna do else. It's getting pretty late and it's gonna get dark. So we'll see if we're doing one more or if we're gonna head back to the camp.
Shit! Woohoo!
Like my radiator is leaking. I don't know if that's... Or is it just water coming down? So guys, we're not sure if my bike's next now. There's some warm liquid dropping out from the cooler. That's exactly where Thomas's broke. It's tasteless. It could be from the water crossing right now. But we don't know. We have no idea. So maybe it just stops and we'll be okay. But maybe my bike is next. I don't know.